Hello and welcome to Gadget Joe, and today we take a look at Team Group's dark DDR4 gaming RAM. When it comes to picking RAM for your system, there are many names to choose from. Team Group are amongst the top names to pick from, with a whole plethora of options available, and today we take a look at their T-Force Dark DDR4 gaming RAM modules. The Dark DDR4 gaming RAM modules are aesthetically stunning, with their unique armoured wing design heat spreader. Not only does the heat spreader look fantastic, but it's entirely functional too. Those aggressive lines and flares give it an authentic gaming feel, but also serve well at distributing the heat away from the modules. The heat spreader itself is one of the only spreaders on the market that comes in a 4-piece design, which means that it offers impressive multi-phase cooling. The first layer is enveloped around the memory stick with direct contact to the modules to dissipate the heat away from them. This heat is then transferred onto the external layer, which then releases the heat away from the entire unit. The result is a substantially large area for passive air cooling. The revamped design is said to dissipate heat 8% better than the previous dark DDR3 RAM it replaces. What's more is that there's no LEDs or RGB to be found anywhere, which for some is a major selling point, as plain components are increasingly few and far between in this RGB obsessed phase the industry is going through right now. One major point to consider, however, is that these modules are very large, and the winged heat spreader may cause some clearance issues for certain CPU coolers, so please take this into consideration if choosing. The dimensions are 145.9mm in length, by 38.2mm in width, by 7.8mm in height. The specifications of a dark DDR4 RAM are impressive and come in a host of profiles and frequencies ranging from the 2400 MHz, which we have, up to an impressive 3200. All of the modules feature XMP2 with one-step overclocking and ultra-low working voltages from 1.2 to 1.4 volts. Our kit is a 16GB kit featuring two 8GB modules with an SPD voltage of 1.2 volts and a data transfer of 19,200 megabytes per second. To put these RAM modules to the test, we ran it on multiple benchmarking systems from Ada64, Cinebench R15, PCMark 8 and Super Pi. The system we used was an MSI Z370 Gaming Pro Carbon AC with an i7-8700K. The GPU was found in the form of a Sapphire RX 488GB, powered by a Thermaltake SE 630W PSU and a 120GB OCZ Vector SSD, and of course the 16GB 2400MHz T-Force Dark DDR4 RAM in question. The benchmarking gave us the following results. Clearly, when it comes down to performance, the T-Force Dark DDR4 gaming RAM modules are no slouches. With very respectable scores across the platforms and low running voltage with overclocking options, they are a tough unit to compete with. Naturally, you will of course yield better results from the speedier 3200MHz models, but for everyday gaming and rendering tasks, the 2400MHz units provided more than enough horsepower to keep all the tasks running smoothly, with no concerns of lack of memory or slow timing speeds. So, if you are on the market for a quick, efficient, low-power RAM set for your build that also has striking good looks without all of an RGB nonsense, then you would be hard-pressed to find a better alternative. Pricing is a little on the higher end at the moment, at around £180 to £200 for a 16GB kit. However, that is more due to the vast increase in memory pricing at the moment, and will likely fall flat at a later date. And with that in mind, the Dark DDR4 gaming RAM is still one of the better options when it comes to value too. We are proud to award the Dark DDR4 gaming RAM by Team Group a Gadget Joe rating of 4 stars, which is a gold standard award. Don't forget, if you want to get your hands on one of these RAM sets for yourself, I will leave a link or two in the description below to where you can get your own. Let me know what you thought about the Dark RAM down in the comments below, and click like too while you're here. Don't forget to click that subscribe button for more content like this and to become a part of the ever growing Gadget Joe team and never miss a video. And that's it from me for now, so it's goodbye and I'll see you in the next video.